AM, P, AL.
Press power button to switch on the meter. Press mode key to change the modes from pH, conductivity and TDS. Now let's calibrate for pH. Dip the electrode in standard pH 7 solution. Stir gently for stable reading. Press Cal key to calibrate. Once the calibration is done, the display will flash. Repeat the same procedure for pH 4 and pH 10. Once all the calibration is done, the meter is ready to test samples for pH. Dip the electrode in the sample. Stir gently for stable reading. Note the pH value of the sample. Conductivity. Press mode to enter conductivity. Calibration. Dip the electrode in 1413 standard solution. Stir gently for stable reading. Press Cal key to calibrate. Once meter starts flashing, the calibration is done. Let's test the sample for conductivity. Dip the electrode in the sample. Note the conductivity reading of the sample. Press mode to find the TDS reading of the sample. To change the batteries, unscrew the battery compartment on the top. Note the polarities and replace the batteries, and screw the battery cap back. For better understanding of this product, please refer to the impact leaflet provided.